Aloha mai kākou, I'm Kumomaile. If you have ever desired to bring ʻŌlelo Hawaii into your home and just couldn't fit it into your schedule, we have 3 different pathways that can accommodate you. The first one is our self-paced course. It's a 12-class course that you can move at your own pace. You have a whole year annual subscription access, so you can revisit things as much as you want. The next choice is our Papa Kahua, which is a once a month offered class, 3 hours crash course. You leave being able to speak basic conversational ʻŌlelo Hawaii. The last choice is Kama'ilio Cafe, and Kama'ilio means to converse. So we have a small group that's led by our kumukokua, and you practice everyday conversational language that you can apply in real life starting now. So figure out what's your pathway. 1, 2, 3, ekahi, elua, ekolu, or na mea apau, all 3. Aiaʻoe, it's up to you. Iola ka ʻŌlelo Hawaii.